good, YouTube? So, I'm at the freaking store, and I'm Christmas shopping, and, yeah, and I don't know what the freak to get. Oh, fuzzy socks. Oh, some good stuff. All these fuzzy socks, and I'm probably gonna have to get some for myself, cause you know me. Oh my god, are these house shoe socks? Wow, these are cute. How much are these? $3. I don't even care about the price. I need to see the decorations. Wait, who am I getting these for? Okay, but these are cute. Okay, well, I want these. What's this? Socks in a pouch. Ain't that so cute? Okay, I want these. My Secret Santa can have some. Should she? Yeah, she. Nope, I want these. These people probably think I'm in here talking to myself, and I really don't care. Socks in a pouch. That is too cute. Y'all, I wish I had a freaking baby cousin or somebody to shop for, because, bro, these are so freaking cute. Like, tell me this ain't cute. Oh my god. I just seen some like baby pants a second ago. Imagine, bro. Y'all, I just found this pig, right? This big, huge pig. Oh. Y'all know who I should get this for? Yeah, I don't know who I should get this for. But I know who I should get this for. My little bae. But he don't deserve it, because he mean. So he not getting it. I don't care. So I'm supposed to be freaking shopping for other people, and I keep getting distracted by stuff that I freaking like. Like, this is hard. Men's section. Okay, so far, I'm struggling, and I need help. I don't know what the frick. I don't know what sizes people wear. I'm just out here. Period. I'm buying them anyways. How about that, guys? I just dropped some clothes. I don't think I'm gonna pick them up. It's like, nah, that's rude. I want to show y'all what I'm looking at, but if I post this on my, channel, and then people watch it, then they gonna know what they getting. So yeah. Damn it! I'm about to leave this fucking store. I'm getting irritated. I keep dropping shit. It obviously wants to go in my cart. Too bad. Are they serious? No. 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 So I thought this Batman shirt was cute, right? You know, Batman. Not for me, obviously. I turn it around. No, why do they got a cape? Why do they got a cape on it? Oh my god, it comes off. It got the Velcro shits. I'm done. No. Okay, but now I might shop for myself, because I know this says I can't wait to be king. But like, that'd be cute on me, period. Wait, let me show y'all a few. Dang, I can't even line it up. Alright, there you go. That's so cute. Tell me that's not cute. And this. I might have to buy this for myself. I think that's the move. Got a Pepsi shirt. Oh no, I done found all the good shirts. That many good shirts. It's just Fortnite dances, bro. I just wanna know why they got that. I'm getting it. I don't care. I know I'm not supposed to be shopping for myself, but I can't help it. If you see cute, if you shopping for people and you see something cute for you, and you got enough money to get it for you, ain't you gonna get it for you? That's what I thought. So I need a new controller, right? That's cute. Don't tell me that's not cute. And it's new color. So yeah, send it to my mom. Hope she gets it for me. We'll see. Or the red one. We'll see. So yeah, I was supposed to be done by freaking 1:45. It's 1:42. And I don't know. Hey vlog. So now we're at hi vlog. We're at Qdoba. And you know, this food is slapping. About to be
It's hot.
slappity slap.
Oh, it's
slap.
original?
There's still 2 more people. But
Is this really hot?
yeah. Naysha, it's hot sauce. It is hot. It's original hot sauce. If it's his hot sauce, it's not gonna be cold. It's like no. You know what, bro? Can you take a joke? Can you take a joke?
No, I can't.
Y'all want to watch me eat real quick? Ooh, a mukbang. All right. So y'all, let me tell y'all what happened after I got off the camera last time. So here we go. I went to go find my friends, and I knew exactly where they was because you know my best friend instincts popped in, and I found them.
Who is that?
I didn't even have to call them.
Me. Hi guys. Me.
Hey Chloe.
Yeah, if yours didn't have bubbles in it. Or if mine had bubbles in it. So we're at Qdoba.
This food slap.
What do you got?
A bowl.
But like, what's in it?
Pinto beans, tomatoes, lettuce, cheese,
Lettuce.
beef, lettuce.
Lettuce.
Is that how I really said it?
Lettuce.
No, I said lettuce. Bro, I should not be eating beans right now.
You put more hot sauce in that already? Yeah. I couldn't reach.
I low-key want to get some more chips. So I have to talk about something. This is a mukbang now. So
Didn't see you there.
no. All right. So everybody comment down below what kind of food you like to eat. What's your favorite restaurant?
Politics.
Oh no.
What's your favorite thing from Qdoba?
What if they don't eat at Qdoba? What if they don't like Qdoba?
Well, then they're BS.
What's your favorite Mexican food place? What's your guys' favorite Mexican food place? You never had Mexican? Try it. It's good. You don't know the name. They stuff in their face and not even talking about. Say a random thing we can talk about.
A random boys.
Oh, you want to talk about boys? All right, go first. I can't see you.
Well, no.
Boys are not.
Don't drop my drink, please. Oh. All right.
Boys do not care about you. They don't.
I mean, I can never tell. They
don't. They do at the moment, but they.
Mine does.
Are you throwing shots?
No, she's talking about.
Oh my gosh, shut up.
Maybe I should take my head off. Okay.
I don't know if it.
Halloween.
I hope mine does. He be mean to me. Like, do you not care about my feelings?
Mine don't. Mine don't care about me.
He asked me how my day was and I said okay, and now he's trying to cheer me up by sending
He's trying to what?
Oh, look at
cheer me
you.
up by sending
Found a freaking
Sending
husband.
you up? Ready? Look at this fat burrito.
Let me get better at it. Penny's going bald.
Right now. Let's talk about BTS gonna win a Grammy.
They better.
Let's talk about.
You
Let's talk about sex, baby. Let's talk about our feelings. Sunset, baby. Let's talk about. Let's sing a song. I don't know.
The Pitch Perfect like.
Me too. They play it in my class.
That used to be her favorite movie. You remember that?
I've never seen a Pitch Perfect.
Probably.
Who bought you the CD or the
Movie?
yeah?
Who bought me it?
Your dad?
I think my mom did.
I don't remember, but you was in love with that movie.
I watched it. We kept moving.
Shaking my head. Shaking my head.
Who was your favorite character?
Pitch Perfect? That hot girl, that one time.
They're all. Oh, her.
That hot girl.
How do you think of Pitch Perfect, but you never saw it?
They play it in my class.
That part?
No, like the whole soundtrack.
Pitch
like-
Perfect soundtrack?
Yeah.
Weird.
One girl.
My bun isn't in it, and I would play
I
ball.
like, so I turn my earbuds in. It's like my Korean shit.
What did you get to drink? I don't know. Some orange stuff came out before, and I was like, oh, perhaps. And I just put lemon.
Oh.
I know, Sprite in it, but it's still good.
The orange crab.
She was her school start day. Audrey knows all the dances.
Shut up.
It's not a good thing because everybody that's in it is getting bullied. Oh my god, make it.
I would stand up for him.
She actually told Rich.
Yeah.
First of all, she told Rich.
I was embarrassed, and I can like. I was like a trash can. I hate lunch.
If I was at that freaking school,
Man.
I got kicked out for the first time.
I skipped my first class. This year is Friday, right? No.
Why?
No, I didn't want to go. Yeah. I told her.
Ew, you just spit all in your food.
I know.
Okay, guys, we're in Walmart now. Me and Kylie. The other two left us. Or the three. Dang, there's three. So, yeah. Okay, let's get out of here. Let's not get that. Wait, what's this? Oh my god, this is so soft. I'm buying it. I didn't even like look at it. Let me look at it. Hold on. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Alright. Me and my new shirt. It was, see, this shirt wanted me to buy it because, it wanted me to buy it because, you know, it was sitting right there and it knew I was gonna walk past it. So, it knew I was gonna throw it in the cart like that. So, that was in the cart. So, we found more shirts and pajamas. And they're really soft. Oh, does it say llama? La la fa. I don't want that. Oh wow. This low-key would kind of probably be uncomfortable. From Santa. I can be a little gift. From Santa. How much is this? $20? I think I should get a onesie. Is this the butt? A butt pouch! And you can really see through to your butt. This is not okay. So, like, never mind. I can't say it no more. Yeah, there's a butt pouch here. You can really get inside them pants. If you guys know what I mean. My drop seat. So when I go to the bathroom, I just drop my seat. I just bloop bloop bloop. Even that's not Christmas. What the heck he doing here? So, people still watch him?
Yeah.
What does the butt say? Aloho. Aloho ho.
That literally says hi ho.
Yeah, this is not okay. Do these all have to... They all... Wait. Okay, you're just a gift. But this one does.
Fawn over me. That's actually creepy.
Rudolph and Clarence. Clarice. You didn't hear that.
Clarence.
I should tell my mom to come here. This is cute. I need a new robe. Last year, she bought me this big fat red robe, and then she got the cute pink one. She made me look like the old mama, and she looked like the... I should. She don't even wear hers, though, so I shouldn't get her. This one got some booty, too. Mary, whatever. Okay, that was terrible. I just bought some of these from Five Below, so I don't need any more. But I really like this robe. Ain't this cute? Okay, let me not. Or a black one. I could be basic and black. I think that's the move.
There's blue.
And there's gray. And there's white. And there's... That's cute. I think I'm kind of falling for the black one. Let's see. This looks big.
Nothing says trailer park like a deck. This is very bright with a trailer on it.
I know I'm not supposed to be shopping for me, but I don't care. Who stole my car?
Oh wait, look at this one.
Oh, I thought my car got stolen. I was looking for it. I'm glad I didn't put anything that I wanted. Oh, your coat's in there. That's what it got stolen. Oops. I got a shirt, work pants, and a robe. I think I'm set. You're not in it, you're not in it. So yeah, this is almost the end of my day. Because now I gotta go to work. Gonna have so much fun at work.
Work.
So wait, so what are you guys doing in the morning?
I'm sleepy. I want to take a nap.
So yeah, guys. Audrey, your big fat head.
What? What? Oh. My hair's crazy. Yay.
Hey.
She ate her camera. That's why you can't see her right now.
What?
She ate around her camera.
No, I did not.
She ate her screen when it broke. She started taking it off and ate.
I could have used my camera, but I didn't know I was gonna vlog today.
Thank you for shopping at
I didn't decide to vlog till I got to the store.
Let's take a picture in that car.
Look at us in that. We look so cute. Oh.
Came into my life at a perfect time. Oh, you
May not be perfect, but I know you're trying.
Make sure you guys go like, subscribe, comment, share. I can't see myself, but I don't know if I'm in here or not. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I love you guys. She loves you. Bye.
Alright, one last time. I just wanted to get in this camera because I took my hair down.